Hey guys, if you're trying to play a Steam game and it keeps on saying easy anti-cheat not installed, don't worry, we're gonna show you exactly how to fix it. So first, what you're gonna have to do is simply head over to your game's installation folder. From there, you're then gonna have to find easy anti-cheat underscore setup.exe. Then simply try running it, then click install and wait for it to finish. So if that doesn't solve it, you're then gonna have to verify the game files in Steam by right clicking the game, then press properties, then press local files and verify integrity of the game files. So this alone often restores any missing EAC components. Now lastly, make sure your antivirus or firewall isn't blocking easy anti-cheat. And finally, you can also try running Steam as an administrator. And after this, your game should launch without any errors. And that's it. So that's how to fix the easy anti-cheat not installed error. So I really hope this works for you, and if it does, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.